In Campfire Cooking in Another World, with my absurd skill the Racier Kingdom summoned 3 high schoolers, and 1 random salaryman. But here's the twist, only 3 were meant to be heroes. Mukuda, he was just collateral damage. The kingdom claimed they needed heroes to defeat the Demon Lord. But the real plan? Use their powers to expand territory, enforce racial discrimination, and slap slave bracelets on anyone who questioned it. Mukuda's online supermarket skill looked useless, so they let him go. Big mistake. He fed a legendary wolf, got divine blessings, and built a power base through food, not force. Meanwhile, the real heroes. They got used, abused, and eventually escaped. Mukuda, he dodged the trap, leveled up with curry, and became a god-tier chef with a monster army. So next time someone says isekai heroes are overpowered, remind them, Mukuda didn't need a sword, he had soy sauce. Like, sub, and drop your favorite accidental isekai moment in the comments.